错。
Just got done out the shower. Beard's tiny bit damp, but you know, just trying to get the brush right. Now, when I first started my beard care, I'm not gonna lie, I used whatever was close and around me. Stop using plastic or metal things in your beard. This is my wooden afro pick from a company called Ntrgold. I'll put the links in the description. It will help evenly distribute your natural oils in your beard. And also, as you put some product in there, it will help make sure that all that product gets distributed evenly throughout your beard, and it won't rip your hair follicles out as plastic or metal would do. And plastic and metal don't evenly distribute anything. They just help shape and form the hair. So that's why wood is the way to go. And I love Ntrgold because they actually have for their combs and their picks, oil infused. So what that means is they let these sit in oil, and so you're getting awesome oils and natural ingredients in your beard anyway, and then you just need to use a little bit of product. So for me, go ahead and pick it out. Got my Scotch Porter products on deck, my beard serum, and today, using my beard conditioner leave-in, I usually just add these together. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. All right, ready to go. Real men get it done. Wooden comb, a must-have for your collection if you're trying to maintain, grow your beard.